Most freelancers lost hours every week answering the same question. Any update? The real problem here is not the client, it's the lack of system. I am Mushur and I run a one-person design studio. No team, no agency setup, just me and one system that keeps everything running smoothly. For a long time, I was doing what most freelancers do. Juggling client messages through WhatsApp, email, DM, and a bunch of Notion document that makes sense only for me. I look busy all the time, but honestly, I didn't make anything scalable. So one day, I paused and asked myself if this was a SaaS product instead of a freelancing business, how would I run it? This one simple question changed how I approach everything. Instead of working relatively, I built a simple internal system for my business. Every client now has their own portal where they can see all of the updates related to their product. Package. Sorry, jokes apart. Every client now have their own portal where they can monitor their project update, they can upload their resources, they can upload their request of revision. In that way, I have one single document for each client that hold everything: their resources, their request update, their project budget, their invoice, everything in one single document and more professional workflow. Today, we are going to dive into this exact same system that I built for my own agency. So without wasting any more time, let's head to the canvas. Alright guys, we are on our canvas and this is the interior of the client OS system I use on my agency, Scale Studio. And here we have our CEO data dashboard, and in our CEO dashboard I can track everything, like how many active tasks do I have. It's more like a gallery view. It's all of the active tasks, active client I have right now, how many active projects I have right now. I can see here, I can see the project progress right here. I have the pending request view here. I can monitor the high priority request here, like a client place a request for their project and it's a high priority request. You guys know the drill. I have overdue invoice here. I can see how many invoices are overdue. Like you can see here, I have invoice 3, client C is overdue around $2,500 at March 7 and now it's March 14. I can see the project pipeline here, the entire journey of a project. I can see it right here. I can monitor the team workload from this area. It's basically the taskbar. I can monitor the revenue from the revenue tracker area, like how many invoices I've sent and how many are paid already. Those are the paid invoices and have the sum right here. Like I have $19,000 right now. Yeah, that's the dummy data, not my actual client project. I can't show you that because of privacy resolved, because I have some details about my clients and things. I can see the deliverables here and it's also like a table view. It's also like a gallery view here. When I go back using those breadcrumbs, I have my client's very own database. It's their own database. I can see their name, their company, the onboarding date, month, their whom to contact to discuss things, the contact info, the industry, is it an agency or fintech, healthcare, real estate, e-commerce. I can track everything here. It's the status, is it their active client, are they active client or long-term clients, or they are completed their project already, proposals sent or discovery, everything. I can have my notes right here. This is the invoice, how many invoice I've sent to them. This is the project, the related project they have right now. The revision, if they ask for any revisions, I can get it from here. Place their location, like on which country they're at or which city they're at right now. I mean their business is right now. If I go to the project database, I can see my project here. It's the board view of the project type, like it's a branding project or a landing page design or a Notion system design. You know everything. Not every, I mean you guys are intelligent by yourself. I have the table view here. I can see the name, the project name, the client, the project type, project status, starting date, deadline, month, budget, deliverable, invoice. I can add deliverable from here as well, like let me see, it's a web design, so let's add a deliverable. I'm sorry, and now click new, then I'll just have a new deliverable here. I can track the invoice, I can track the revisions, I can track the task, I can track the progress, everything I can track right here. And if I complete any task, I can just, let's head to the task database. I have those tasks on my hand, so if I just make the task 1 done, then we can see the related, we can go to the project database, and when we see the progress related here, we can see the task 1 is done, this progress is done. And if we enter here, we can just share this page from here, like share, and the access I can edit because it's me, so like full access, no, can comment, can view, can edit, it's the plus you have. If you have the plus, then you can give it. Just I'll give them the can view and then share it with my clients. Here I can have everything, the overview, project overview, project information like client, project type, project status, starting date, deadline, progress. I can see everything here, but I have everything right here as well. I have times and milestone, like discovery, is it pending or done, targeted date here, the wireframe, UI design, development, final review, launch, everything. I have the project task here, like I can track every task from here related to this project. And if I just update on my project, then the client will automatically see that this task is updated. I have my revision database here, client can see their revision request right here. Deliverables, can see the deliverables, get it from here. Notes, and they can comment here, and then I can add those requests from here, and they can see this from by themselves. Okay, so let's head to the invoice database. We have our invoice database here. I can see everything on this page. I can see the paid invoices here. I can monitor them, and if I wanted to, let's do it. just calculate more and sum. Now I have the sum of my actual revenue through the invoice generated through the invoice, overdue invoices, pending invoices. I can see everything from here. Sales pipeline, I have my own sales pipeline. Now I have no data right on here. Requests and revisions, if clients submit any request, I can enter it from here, link the project, and it will go to the project database and client can see on his own portal. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Now I can work without any interruption, have all my project organized, and can give my client a professional level workflow like a SaaS company, although I'm just a freelancer. And if you guys wanted this system, I make the template available, link in the description. Subscribe if you want to grow your business online through an actual system.